For most people, planning for the future is a necessary key to success, but all too often they overlook the importance of planning for their death or incapacity. Thinking about your own mortality can be unsettling, yet making decisions now about protecting yourself and your loved ones can bring more than peace of mind. It can help ensure your personal and financial values are passed down together when it is time to distribute your assets to future generations. Forward-thinking estate planning attorneys are now designing personalized estate plans that focus not only on what the client owns, but also what they value in life. Eden Rose Brown is one such attorney who is leading the way by helping families identify and articulate their goals.
Estate planning, first and foremost, is about providing the maximum control to your family. If you die without an estate plan, then you are giving up that control to the courts and to the judges and to the lawyers.
While there may be an agreement as to the basic elements that make up an estate plan, some experts feel that many of us overestimate the effectiveness of these traditional planning documents.
I'm responsible for the overall planning and wealth management for a client, and estate planning is an integral component of that. The problem is, a lot of estate plans that we see have absolutely nothing to do with the client's circumstances. The plans are either old or they're just some generic cookie cutter that just does not solve the problem. In fact, they create additional problems. And the way to get an integrated approach is to work with a team of advisors who collaborate together on your behalf.
Regardless of your net worth, a comprehensive estate plan will provide control of your assets during incapacity and help protect your family's financial security.
As a society, we're living longer than our parents and our grandparents did. So at some point, the statistics show that it's more likely that we will become incapacitated, that we'll lose that mental capacity before we die, than to just die. Even the best drafted will only takes effect when you die. A good living trust can minimize expense and maximize control.
Forward-thinking estate planning attorneys are now designing personalized estate plans that focus not only on what the client owns, but also what they value in life.
One of the ways that we incorporate values-based planning with our clients is we encourage them to leave guidelines in their children's trusts. And we create trusts that will last a lifetime for the child, not in step distributions, not outright to them, because there's no protection. So we put in values-based guidelines that the client wants to pass on to their children, and that's where the mentorship and the stewardship and the protection comes in.
Her client-centered counseling and unique values-based planning strategies help her clients ensure that their affairs will be in order.
We actually had a living trust, and we had a conversation one day with one of our daughters, and we realized at that point that there was a tremendous potential for conflict and hurt feelings among the children dealing with the distribution of wealth.
And then we had heard about Eden's excellent reputation as a trust attorney, and we went to see her because we wanted to make sure that everything was locked up tight, that there was no misunderstanding. She created a trust that would reflect our values.
And that was very important to us. You know, we just really wanted to pass on those values that perhaps are more important than material things, and that was very, very important to me and also to Elaine.
Brown's ultimate goal is to design and deliver a plan that promotes and maintains family harmony, maximizes control within the family, and creates an ongoing legacy of values for her clients.
As a person responsible for a client's overall wealth management, I need to know that another professional on the team is going to get the job done and done right. And Eden consistently does that for us. She can quickly get to the core of what makes a family tick. And when you combine that with her legal skills, you get a truly unique package. So our clients are in very good hands with her.
The baby boomer generation has been known for their desire to effect positive change in society. With proper estate planning, experts say they can focus and even enhance or expand that commitment.
Many in the baby boomer generation feel a strong sense of responsibility, social responsibility, of wanting to give back to their communities philanthropically. And they've found a surprising benefit with that, the pleasure of giving together as a family.
We've seen tremendous results with helping children fulfill these rich, purpose-filled lives because of this philanthropic wealth that helps balance out the financial wealth. If we truly believe that life is not so much about what you own, but what you value, then we need to ask ourselves, have we taken the right steps toward ensuring that we have honored those who have gone before us and encouraged those who are going to follow? To me, that's the heart and soul of true estate planning, and that's why I love what I do.
Eden is truly a gem in the estate planning community. Her commitment to her clients and her dedication to her craft has been acknowledged by her peers both locally and nationally. She's been recognized by Worth Magazine the last 2 years as one of the top 100 attorneys in America.
Attorney Brown has received numerous accolades and has earned a national reputation for her innovative estate planning strategies.
In the 15 years I've known Eden, there's never been a trust plan that's failed. If your family is what you value most in life, why wouldn't you want to spend the time to have the best planning possible?
Whether you are a boomer or an advisor working with this unique generation, for more information about these unique estate and legacy planning opportunities, contact the law office of Eden Rose Brown.